Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I want to ask you questions. Have you ever imagined living in zombie world where you cannot go outside or where you can get infected by the zombie virus anytime and everywhere? Maybe most of us believe that it cannot happen in real life. But don't you think within these 11 months our life is quite similar with the zombie world? Yes, it is COVID-19. It's an ongoing pandemic infectious disease caused by newly discovered coronavirus. Well, when we watch the zombie movies, what we all have to do is only how to survive or how to not get infected by the virus. But in COVID-19, our mission is much more complex than just survive. We have to deal with problems from health, education, social, politics, and so on. And that makes COVID-19 is more scary than the zombie movie, right? But among all those aspects, the economic is the most challenging problem that we have to deal with. According to the Ministry of the Manpower record, COVID-19 has affected 1.7 million workers in Indonesia, and its conditions is also directly proportional to the increase in poverty rate. In early November of 2020, an article on Kompas.com also said that Indonesia face recessions. Recessions is a slowdown or of massive contractions in economic activities. During recessions, economy will suffer, unemployment rate rises, and the companies will reduce their output and sales. Maybe now, some of us will think, so what? Because it's not a new thing that Indonesia has to deal with poverty and jobless. So how actually the recession during this pandemic has affected us, the millennials, in our economic, and what can we do to increase our economy during this ongoing pandemic? Well, my name is Devi Otavia Uno, and I'm from Vocational High School to Malang. I'm here today to talk about this topic. Ladies and gentlemen, the Great Recession has had lasting effect on millennials, including fewer jobs available and decreased savings. Many millennials who graduate in the height of the crisis will have suffered to pay high level of student loan debt. And many millennials who already work will be less paid or even fired due to the crisis economic conditions. We can see here that the recession during this pandemic has big and serious impact on us, the millennials. And now, what can we do to increase our own economy? Today, I would like to tell you tips to increase our own economy as a millennial during this pandemic that were written by travel blogger and writers named Alexander Tian. Alexander Tian said there are 3 smart ways for face the recessions, and I made the simple variation of it so we can remember it easier. These tips called SPY, S-P-Y. So what is SPY? First is S. S stands for smart spending. Smart spending means that we have to buy something according to our needs. Alexander said knowing the difference between what we want and what we need is really important because by knowing the difference of it, we can know the priorities that we have to buy and what is not. And it will help us to actually reduce our money spending for unnecessary things. And the second one is P. P stands for productivity. What Alexander Tian means here that we as the millennial generations have to productive things during this pandemic to prevent ourselves from impulsive buying. Alexander also shared his own experience being productive during the pandemic by taking several jobs such as speaker, personal branding class teacher, and also book writer, and he was ready to launch his own merchandise. Alexander also said that as the millennials, we have to spend our time during the pandemic by doing something positive. Maybe we can do self-development things, or we can do side job, or we can use this time to start our own business. Maybe we can start our online business, write a blog, or even write a novel, so we also can get paid if our book is published by the publisher. Or we can make our own YouTube channel video with various content that we like, such as singing, dancing, talking, and so on. And the last one is Y. Y stands for emergency. Alexander always warned us to maintain our monthly budget by saving money for emergency fund. Because it is the important strategy to help us through the recessions. Alexander also added that pandemic also actually can bring positive effect in our financial. Because money that we usually spend for traveling, we can save for emergency fund. So it means there will be more money to be saved. And Alexander also mentioned that actually we as a millennial generation who has knowledge and potential in using and operating technology have to use that to gain our knowledge in financial. So we will be more aware about our finances in daily life or even in academic crisis such as digitalizations. Well, ladies and gentlemen, all of the Alexandrian tips that I told you before actually will not help us to fix the country economy. But it will help us at least to survive in our own economy in the middle of global economic crisis. Furthermore, if you want to help our country out from the crisis, this is the important and the easiest thing that we can do, which is always follow the health protocol by sanitize our hands and do social distancing and wear our mask on. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's all from me. Stay safe all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.